Alright, so for my first project, I'm going to be doing Chapter 4, Question 2 on my stat lab. And then here it says, the following table gives the total area in square miles, land, and water of 7 states. Complete parts A through C. Then A says, find the mean area and the median area for these states. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click StatCrunch right there from the little drop down right there. I'm going to move it over here so I can see both of these pretty well. And then I'm going to click the stat, summary stats, columns, and then area. And then I'm going to click on mean right here. And then I'm going to hold down control and click median. That way they're both mean and median are here. Click compute. And then it pulls up both the mean and the median of all of these values here. And then it says, okay. So I'm going to click that, copy paste, except it wants me to round it. So that's going to be that one. Fantastic, thank you. All right. And then the median right there. Well done. I always like how encouraging Pearson's math stuff is. Alright, so B, which state is the outlier on the high end? If you eliminate this state, what are the new mean and median areas of this data set? So the one on the high end is definitely number 2. It's a giant state. It's probably like Texas or something. I don't know. So you're just gonna head over to the column you want. The row you want, I guess. And then you're going to click delete row, which then same deal as before. Summary statistics columns, area, mean. No, I didn't. Okay. All right, and then control, click median, mean, compute. And then actually first I need to finish this one. 2 is the, okay. So this is the new mean. As you can see, it's definitely smaller. So yeah, this outlier definitely kind of skews it a bit. It's always good to keep in mind. These outliers, because so C, which state is an outlier on the low end? If you eliminate this state, what are the new mean and median areas for this data set? Alright, so the small one is definitely number 7. I'm just going to exit that one out, and then I'm going to push Control-Z to undo this deletion here. 2 is back, and then I'll just click this, drop down by 7, click delete row, stat, summary stats, columns, area, mean, median, compute. Wait, yeah. 7. Push enter for that, and then the median for that. Alright. Alright, and so it just automatically switched to the next problem, so let's bring it back here. So yeah, as you can see, when you take into account some of these outlier states here, like number 2 and number 7, you can definitely see how outliers like this can certainly change your numbers a bit. So it's always good to keep those in mind when you're doing these sort of statistics. All right, so bye.